Okay, now let's look at the Workflow Secrets transaction dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in together. The closed location dashboard is another heat map dashboard for those agents who are area experts looking to showcase all of the different areas or understand better which areas they most frequently serve to better understand how their efforts overall are impacting by closed location. Because this does integrate with Google Maps, one of the really cool things you can do is grab the little dude on the far right hand side and move him to any of the given locations so that you can easily and quickly see a street map view of the area as it progresses over time to better understand how you can serve that community at large. Now, on the top right-hand side, you also have access to a drop-down menu that allows you to filter by any given date so that you can better understand how those closed locations are being heat mapped over time and how your area expertise has grown. We hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on all of these different dashboards. If you have any dashboard ideas that have come to mind, feel free and reach out, help at workflowsecrets.info, and you can either ask questions or give suggestions for dashboards you would like to see. Otherwise, we have some other lessons to cover. Go and scroll on down and get those started, and we'll see you there.